Hi friends, today we learn how to take tally backup data and how to restore it, and purpose of taking tally backup data. And generally we'll take tally backup every week or 10 days once, because if is there any virus or any server issues in our company, the transaction what we have posted the transactions that will be deleted. Due to this we'll take tally backup. So if any tally data deleted, we can restore the tally backup data. Okay, to take the tally backup data, here from gateway of tally, here F3 company info, here we will get option backup. Okay, for which company you want to take tally backup, this one. And also here path is there, destination where you want to save this backup data. Okay, okay, see, and here if you want you can put date. You come to know which one is the latest one. Okay, okay, this one I want to, at a time you want to restore, take the backup all the companies also you can, but if you don't want you can select only one company and list. Okay, I have taken, see that file, will check where it was saved. Here C language, C, this one Wisdom Media 15/6/2016, this is the file, this is the file. So when we'll face any problem and when transaction data deleted, so at that time what we'll do, here we'll check, see today 15/6/2016 I have taken tally backup, and after 1 week I'll take again tally backup. So which one is the latest one, that I will restore it if the transaction data will delete. So at the time what I'll do, this transaction data, this tally backup I'll restore it. Okay, like this we'll take tally backup data and restore. Again same, gateway of tally, company info, here restore, see here, here destination if you want, this one end list, I am restoring it. Okay, come back and select company, come back, see here, please observe, select, come back, and click on end button, here Wisdom Media, see you will get company. Like that you can change path also, you can change path as well. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, like that we'll take the tally backup data and we can restore it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.